With an ebook reader, you can carry thousands of books at a time and access a library of millions more on a device that is smaller than a paperback and lasts for weeks on a single charge. Thus, e-reader, also known as an ebook reader, is a portable electronic device that is designed primarily to read ebooks and periodicals. These are some of the best products on the market. The Barnes & Noble e-reader harnesses advanced technology to keep reading pure and simple. The enhanced contrast and higher resolution makes each page read like paper in any light. From daylight to dark of night, with the latest glow light technology, it keeps reading comfortable and glare-free in bright sun or at bedtime, when you want to stay lost in your book without keeping someone else awake. It comes with a 6-inch high-resolution 300 dpi screen with built-in glare, scratch, and fingerprint-resistant lens, providing a paper-like reading experience. The Kindle e-reader uses actual ink particles and proprietary hand-built fonts to create crisp text similar to what you see in a physical book. The blacks and whites on the screen are uniform, improving writing and image quality. Unlike reflective tablet and smartphone screens, the high-contrast touchscreen display eliminates glare in any setting, even in direct sunlight. You can listen to the world's most extensive library of audiobooks on your Kindle by pairing with Bluetooth to move seamlessly from reading to listening. The Kindle Paperwhite has an improved high-resolution 300 ppi display for crisp, laser-quality text. Unlike reflective tablet and smartphone screens, it reads like paper. It's lighter than a paperback, thus you can comfortably hold it with one hand. A single charge can last up to 6 weeks. It supports the display of non-Latin characters so that you can read books and documents in your favorite language, including enhanced support for Japanese and Chinese. It also offers Bookerly, a particular font crafted from the ground up for reading on digital screens. The Kindle Voyage features a high-resolution 300 ppi display for crisp, laser-quality text. The micro-etched glass screen is crafted to eliminate glare and feel like paper to the touch. It can be read in bright sunlight or total darkness, and it's smart enough to know the difference. The page press feature allows you to turn the page without lifting a finger. At just 7.6 millimeters thin, you can comfortably hold it in one hand for long reading sessions. A single charge lasts up to 6 weeks and fully charges in approximately 3 hours from a computer via USB cable. Also, choose from 8 text sizes to prevent tired eyes and keep you reading longer. The Kindle Oasis e-reader holds the first place among the list of best ebook readers. It comes with a 7-inch 300 ppi display and fits over 30% more words per page for fewer page turns. It tapers to an ultra-thin 3.4mm display featuring our most robust cover glass and a sleek, anodized aluminum back. It supports Audible so that you can listen to the world's most extensive library of audiobooks. Pair with Bluetooth to take the story with you anytime, anywhere. Also, it is the first waterproof Kindle with a storage capacity of 8GB or 32GB. The crisp, laser-quality text reads like real paper without glare even in bright sunlight. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and share the video to show us some love. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications on all our newest uploads.